In this video, we want to show you how to use our Deck Restoration Plus DRP House Wash. Our House Wash is our soap, our surfactant. It has multi-uses. We use it to clean our brushes. We use it to clean a lot of things. The main reason we use it, obviously, is because it's a house wash. We use it on houses, and it can be used on any type of siding, whether it's aluminum siding, whether it's vinyl siding, even wood siding, we use it as well. And what our house wash does is, and the idea behind using the house wash, not only will it kill and get rid of organic growth like mold, mildew, and algae, but it also, being a surfactant, lets the product cling to the surface longer and more so that it will do the work it needs to in a dwell time. Our dwell time is about 10 to 1, and we like to mix our product between 5 to 1 and 8 to 1 on the house wash. So if you have a really dirty house, 5 to 1. If it's not too bad, it's a light clean, 8 to 1. And now we're going to get ready and show you how we do it. And we can use any type of spray or any type of applicator, and that's what we're going to do now. So let's watch this. Okay, here we are with the siding of the house on our house wash. We're ready to get started. First thing we're going to do is pre-wet the surface. The reason we pre-wet the surface is we don't want to put any chemicals or any products directly on a surface. Pre-wetting it prevents any damage. So we'll wet it down real good, which is what we're going to do right now. Once we get it wet, then we're going to apply our house wash. The house wash needs to sit for about a 5 to 10 minute dwell time before we rinse. We always soap from the bottom up, which you'll see us do, and then we rinse from the top down. So soap from the bottom up, and then rinse from the top down. And here we go, we're gonna soap. And you can see visibly the house wash going on the siding. You know if you missed any spots. If you pre-wet everything, you don't have anything to worry about. It won't hurt any of the grass if we pre-wet it. It's also biodegradable, not harmful to any plants or anything, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. It's real easy to just clean the siding. Again, it's a multi-purpose soap. It's a surfactant. If you did have something bad, you could add another product to it, whether it's a bleach of some sort or any type of product. It's a good surfactant. If you wanted to use this on other products, you could use this as your surfactant to add to it. But this is an excellent, excellent product for the house wash. So we let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we come back and we do our rinse. Again, from the top down. And here you see us rinsing. And the reason we use an X-Jet will shoot up to the second floor, and that's what we're doing here. And we're just gonna rinse, rinse, rinse. And again, from the bottom down, that way we have all the organics and the dirt and so forth going down. So again, I just wanna emphasize, soap from the bottom up, rinse from the top down. As I said, you can use any type of sprayer, so whether you're just doing a small area or you don't have the equipment, you're just starting out something, you could always use just a pump sprayer as well and apply a product. So there are different types of sprayers. There's HVLP, high volume, low pressure. There's X-Jets, there's shooter tips, there's your soft wash system, there's downstreaming, and even a pump up sprayer. And here we are, done rinsing, everything's clean, all our soap is rinsed off, and we're just completing the rinse cycle. And that's how you use the Deck Restoration Plus House Wash.